Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a train. Let's check it out. Roll it. Got a CSX train coming. Let's check it out. Roll it. Looks like it's BNSF. It's like a BNSF oil tanker. No, CN oil tanker train. Alright, CN oil tanker train, alright. I was thinking before that I thought it was BNSF, but it looks like it's CN. There's the end. I think the radio said that's a CSX B780, whatever that was, 786. I'm not sure what it is. With the Canadian, it's pretty good with the CN power. I got the live and camcord versions on, but I just can't do the destinations at once. But I think this is the CSX let me look. It's under bulk. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go find the CSX detector. Or not the CSX detector, but the... Oh, sorry. Or try to finish it out. I'm gonna go find the CSX detector, or the CSX symbols for that tanker train. Where did it go? Well, I don't want that one. Norfolk stuff. I don't want Norfolk. Oh, yep, I got CSX. I got it. Where did it go? Where is the one with the CN? Oh, okay, there we go. Here we go. Symbol on that train is the CSX B782. That train with the CN power, that train originates to Southwark, New Jersey, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at the clearing yard. We gotta know. On this Friday, July 19th, 2024, from the Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. That was pretty cool with the CN power leading in this, yeah. It was all Canadian national power. So, alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with another train. Talk to you later.